Ryan Allaire, the creator of Mailbox Secrets, has been using the practices inside of this system for well over 10 years. And I want to just go through right now and walk through it with you and see if you decide if you do or don't want to use something that, whether you're in offline marketing, whether you're in digital marketing, whether you have an offline or online business, whatever the case may be, you could possibly use this to get a lot more sales, a lot more customers, and actually really increase your branding and exposure to your marketplace. So let's go through right now exactly what Mailbox Secrets is, exactly what you're going to get with it, and whether or not it's any good for your business and for getting more sales, more customers, and more leads. So let's answer the first question that's on everyone's mind. What is Mailbox Secrets and what does it do? Mailbox Secrets is a system and way that Ryan Allaire has developed over the years through testing and actually brought him and his family out of poverty, a way to reach out to your clients, your potential leads, your potential marketplace, and get them to buy from you, to become a lead, to actually turn into a customer. And he's done this successfully and created millions of dollars in profit, because unlike what you've heard and unlike what's told throughout the industry, people often assume and think that mailing is dead. They think snail mail is dead. And if that were true, here's where we get to, does Mailbox Secrets work? And does snail mail in general work? Why do you think people, companies, and businesses and corporations like Walmart, like Lowe's, like credit card companies, and all these different companies still use the mail? If it didn't work, they wouldn't do it. And if it didn't work, then how did Ryan Allaire teach not just himself to generate millions of dollars in sales, selling his own products and others, but also teach other people how to do millions of dollars in sales using the same method for their own business? So it could have been supplements they were selling, it could have been coaching, could have been consulting, whatever the case may be. Either way, companies are using this across the globe. He used this and made it work extremely well, and he would like to teach you and show you exactly how you can actually see results with Mailbox Secrets, with using snail mail for your own business, for your own product and services, whatever you're offering. What does Mailbox Secrets actually allow you to do? So in Mailbox Secrets, what you're going to be walked through and how to do is literally how to sell with the mail, how to improve your copywriting, and how to actually sell your product and services, no matter the niche, no matter the industry you're in, to your target audience and to the people who are actually wanting to buy your product and services, and also how to find those people, how to get those addresses, how to get those leads, and sell effectively to them. And something that you're going to be even more involved with and really want to see, they're going to show you how they've proven and done thousands to tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands and millions of dollars in sales using this method in a proven case study for other people and their own businesses and product and services that they sold. So again, it's not just something that they've done themselves, it's something that they've helped other people do as well, and it's still effective. So what I really recommend is, I'm going to continue kind of walking through Ryan Allaire and more about Mailbox Secrets. But if at any time you think you're interested in this, you want to learn a little bit more, or maybe there's something more to this, and maybe you could use it, maybe you get more sales, more customers, and really expand your reach and get a lot of profit from this, click on the link below in the description or in a button or somewhere around this video, and you're going to be able to actually access and learn about Mailbox Secrets. So you can decide if you actually want it, if you actually will like it, and if you really think it may be able to help you out. You can decide to buy, invest, and there's some incredible upsells and other things they're offering as well on the back end. The first thing they're going to show you is how they actually find hot buyers and get these addresses so you can send out your mail to people who actually want to buy and purchase your product and services. And again, this is also just another way to gather real quality leads, which is of course important for any business. The second thing that they actually teach you, which I think is effective both in digital marketing, it'll help you improve your digital presentations and your digital funnels and sales processes, but it will also help with, of course, getting your mail seen, opened, and getting people to actually buy from you. They're going to show you how to make your envelopes, your presentations, your mail actually seem appealing, actually want to be opened. And this is done, and the reason why they do this is so once you find the right people who actually want to buy your product and services from you, they want to make sure that the people who are getting this mail are actually opening and buying from you. So they teach you that process as well, how to make your envelopes, your letters, and everything that you're selling with be effective and look great. So it's open and you're actually able to sell people with it. Thirdly, they actually kind of help you improve your copywriting as well through teaching you how to actually structure the letter and how to structure the actual words and your selling proposition and what you're offering to people on this piece of mail. And you can use this as well for your actual sales letters in the digital world. So it's a double-edged sword that you want to be stabbed with that will help you with your copywriting and help you sell more customers in general. The fourth most important thing is how they actually teach you the whole selling process and how you're going to be able to bank as much as possible off of this mail, off of the snail mail method, and off of sending letters and off of using this mailbox secret method. So how, number one, get leads. Number two, how to get those leads to actually open your mail. Number three, how to sell them with the mail, and the rest of the process to continue selling, upselling, and reselling these people with the Mailbox Secrets Less method. Along with everything I just went through, you're going to get access to some other guides, some other templates, some other things that they've used to produce, again, millions in sales for themselves and millions in sales for other people and actually their businesses. It's a highly effective way to generate leads, customers, sales, and a lot of profit. So make sure at the very least you check out Mailbox Secrets and you actually try to read and learn exactly what they're offering, because from my experience and from what I've read and from what we've gathered, because we've made sure to take an even deeper look into Ryan himself. He's a great guy and actually a friend of ours now. We found that this doesn't just work, it's highly profitable no matter what you're promoting, whether you're an affiliate marketer, whether you sell your own product or services, whatever the case may be. Mailbox Secrets can get you to sell a lot more of what you're currently offering to your audience and also help you find new audiences to sell to as well. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and check out the link in the description of this video or somewhere around the button or somewhere to actually learn more about Mailbox Secrets and how you can get a lot more profit in your business by using it.